I did want to come by and congratulate all of you on this major milestone. These community centers not only can change the lives of our youth, but are so important in our community. Our young people are our next generation of leaders, and we have an obligation, especially at this moment as adults, to protect, to build up our young people, to inspire them, to build confidence, to give them opportunities to excel, not just in their childhood years, but most importantly in their adult years and in life.
So today we're celebrating the opening and the ribbon cutting of our new Annandale Community Center. And in this community center, we're partnering with the Boys and Girls Club of Greater Washington, and they're going to be providing after-school programming for kids. We're also going to be providing additional services and programming for the broader community. Some of the things we're looking at including could be English classes, entrepreneurship, training, essentially the things that the community is asking for, what we're going to provide in this center.
Boys and Girls Club have been around for 150 years, and we focus on youth development from the age of 5 to 18. We have many clubs in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area. We are really excited to bring these youth development activities to the Annandale community. We provide programs such as college readiness, college prep, high yield activities, and also just exposure to a lot of things that generally youth in the communities that we're poised in would not have an opportunity to see.
It's an exciting time to be able to serve a community and to be able to just have kids connected with a meaningful adult and engage in programs that will be safe and secure for them in the future.
And part of that vision is ensuring that every child, every family, and every community gets the support that they need to succeed.